What is up? It is Raven, and today I kind of want to do like a simple smoky fall cut creasy look. I want to use my Subculture palette from Anastasia. I feel like it's like the perfect fall palette, especially for like smoky eye looks. Let's take a look at it. It's really beautiful, and it has like these deep mustard yellows and these purples and greens. Very beautiful fall colors. And also they sent me all the new lashes. So I'm going to try it out, one of them. Which pair is this? This one is So Hollywood. And I really want to try it out. I think they look really pretty. These are one of my favorite pairs. So I'm really excited to try it out. I just want to do something a little bit like a dark glam fall look before I start moving on to like the bright Christmassy looks. It'll be fun. I haven't really given a thought about what I'm going to do for Christmas, so I'm going to try to wing it, you know. I worked really hard on my Halloween videos, and I don't want to go like too far in my Christmas videos. I just want to take it a little easy, but also at the same time try and get some views. So, yeah. Also, like, my sideburns are like a really weird length right now. They keep like popping out behind my ears. Like, they're long enough to put behind my ears, but they just keep popping out. I don't know if I should just shave them off again or what, because I hate them like this, honestly, but whatever. So yes, I guess let's dive into the tutorial now. Okay, so first, before I even begin the smoky eye, I kind of want to put some like powder underneath my eyes. I might look ridiculous like half the time, but I don't want, because I'm probably gonna get some fallout. And I already did my face makeup earlier, so I don't want to ruin that. So we're just gonna press this on lightly, and of course, once we're done, we can just wipe it off or like brush it off. Some fell off. This is the Anastasia Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I've never tried this technique before, where you put like setting powder or like loose powder like underneath your eye while you do your eye makeup. So let's see how that goes. So yeah, so I look ridiculous. If you look like you had a powder puff smashed in your face, well, I guess you're doing it right. Okay, so I guess next let's dive into the Subculture palette. I just love this palette so much. I remember when they first released it, I think back in like 2017, I fell in love with it, but it had like so many like bad reviews, so I wasn't like, I don't know, I was kind of iffy about getting it. So first I'm going to be diving into the shade Dawn. I'm going to be using this kind of like as a base shade, as a transition shade. And I'm pretty much going to put it all over my eyelid. I'm probably going to wing it out like a little bit, I'm probably going to wing out my look today too as well. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Axis. I'm applying it onto like the crease, like my crease a little bit. I might make my natural crease a little bit more higher. When I cut it, normally I have to do my creases higher. So I'm applying it a little bit higher than my actual crease. I mean, of course you can apply it however you want to, with the natural crease or not, you know. Just go do your own way. Okay, so next I'm using the shade Untamed, and I'm going to be applying this onto the crease and blend out just a little bit. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing a half crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And I'm not going to be doing like a full cat eye crease, it's just going to be halfway, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Adorn. And I'm applying it onto the blank area that I had just cut. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Rowdy onto the outer corners of the eyes, right around here. And I blend it a little bit into the shimmery shade that I had just applied on, just to kind of give it like a gradient effect. Okay, so I'm applying the shade Electric on the inner corners of my eye. I'm kind of applying it like from down here and like maybe line it a little bit up here. You guys will get the idea, right? Okay, so now I think it's time to get the setting powder off. So brush it off. Honestly, I've had like this face makeup on like all day, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I meant to do my makeup a lot earlier, like way earlier, but I got busy with other stuff, so it doesn't look bad. I don't think I really had fallout. I didn't see any fallout on my powder, so that's good. But hey, it doesn't look bad. It's just like another layer of powder, I guess. I really like the eyeshadow so far. Like, it kind of looks like fall. I mean, yeah, it is fall colors. Okay, so on the bottom eye, I'm going to try to do the same thing. But you see, I wanted to add a little bit of green with the blue, but I was going to apply that first. But I was like, nah, the green looks a little bit darker. But then I realized the blue was darker because I tried applying the green earlier on the crease and it looked lighter. So I was like, oh shit. So I think I'm going to apply a little bit of Untamed. It's just like a greenish color. Like an olive green kind of. No, it's a little bit darker than olive green. It's green. I'm going to apply a little bit of that underneath the eyes and maybe blend it up a little bit into the smoky area up here. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade Cube. And I apply that on the very inner corner of my eye, just a very little bit, just give it a little pop of shine color. Okay, so next I'm using the Kat Von D's Anti-Precision Liner. And I'm using this on my waterline. I might smoke it out just a little bit with a little brush onto my bottom eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown Powder Duo, and this, I'm just going to do my brows like how I normally do. So yeah, I'm going to use a small angle brush from Anastasia. This one is the number 15 brush. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeliner brush, but I like this one because it's angled and it's really, really thin, so I really like using it for my brows. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I'm just brushing up my little eyebrow hairs up. I want to go for like a little bit like a fluffier brow look to give it a little more dimension. Okay, so next I'm applying the ABH Nocturnal Liquid Lipstick onto my lip. Okay, so next I'm playing So Hollywood lashes from Anastasia. I'm gonna trim them and play them off camera. So yes, I'll be right back to you guys when I'm finished with that. Okay, so next I'm gonna play some blush, but we're not gonna be using blush. We're actually gonna be using yellow eyeshadow. I know it sounds weird, but I've been doing that lately and I really do like it. But we're gonna be using the shade Edge from Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Beautiful like mustardy yellow, so I'm gonna use that and apply it, you know, normally where I apply blush. I'm gonna go a little light-handed though, 'cause it's a little pigmented. And that is it for today's look. I think it's just a really pretty fall look. It's definitely different. It's not like all the oranges and the yellows that we see in fall looks. This is a little bit different. It does have fall colors. It has a little bit of orange and yellow in it. While I was saying those weird, like in the crease. It's really pretty. It has a tiny bit of purple, like a smidge of purple in the corner. I think it's a really perfect dark smoky eye, especially for like when the weather gets like really cool and chilly. A little bit rainy, you know. I think this is the perfect makeup for that kind of weather, that kind of mood, you know. So yeah, honestly, I wasn't really planning this ahead of time. Like, I knew what colors I wanted to use. I knew I wanted to use that blue and then a little bit of the greens, and of course some of the shimmer shades from the Subculture palette. But I didn't really know exactly what I was doing. So, but this is what I came up with. So I'm really happy with the outcome of it. And I'm really loving the lashes from Anastasia. They're really beautiful, and I can't wait to try out the other styles. These are beautiful. I just can't wait to be wearing them. I think these will look perfect, especially with like just a winged liner. I think it'll just look really perfect. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do post a lot of stuff on there, stuff that doesn't go up on YouTube, or I post like usually like when my YouTube videos go up or whatever. So make sure you follow me on that, especially Twitter. Mainly Instagram. That's where I'm most active on. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I do post up videos. Anyways, so let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see for Christmas. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do much because I'm going to be busy with school, especially with like the finals towards like, the end of like November, beginning of December. I'm going to be busy, so I'm going to try to start filming Christmas looks. I might do some glammy ones, maybe some dramatic ones. We'll see. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be doing. I don't know. Christmas isn't like my number, like Halloween's like my time of the year, and that's when I get the most views and everything. But Christmas, I don't really shine that much for Christmas for some reason, even though I do have Christmas videos. So make sure you do check out my Christmas videos for looks and inspo. Check them out, please. They need to get views. But I don't know. Let me know what kind of characters you guys want to see for Christmas. I don't know. I mean, I've done Mrs. Claus before. I did Krampus like twice. I really like my Krampus look from last year. I don't know, we'll see what kind of looks I'll come up with. I did Nightmare Before Christmas, but those are mainly popular during Halloween, so I don't think I'll be doing Nightmare Before Christmas again, because those aren't really, you know, that popular. But yeah, I think I kind of have some ideas in mind for Christmas looks I want to do. Of course the reds and the greens, you know, of course stuff like that. But also I got like the glitters from Anastasia, so I want to do like some like chilly looking, cold looking looks. I don't know how to explain it, like icy looks. I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it, but we'll see. So yeah, so that's it for today's tutorial. So make sure you leave a like and comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I already said that earlier. Hope you guys have a wonderful and safe day. Bye!